can continue that chapter which we are learning. The chapter it is water storage and quality. That is the name of the chapter. Before the Onam holidays, we just started it, right? So in that class, I discussed about importance of water. Are you remembering this all points? Importance of water. Then Ojas, are you listening? Are you listening? Ojas and Manas, are you listening?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, I am checking whether I am audible to you or not. I hope I am audible to everybody, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, okay. So here we have.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so here we want to, in the last class we had discussed about importance of water, sources of water, then why we should store water. We discussed water storage system in the olden days and also water storage system in the present days. I told it, right? So anybody can you remember which all are the water storage system which all we used in the olden days? What are the water storage system which were used in the olden days? Is there anybody ready to say the answer?
Step well, drawn well.
Okay, step wells, draw wells, then wells are there, then one more is there. Okay, wells.
Well, drawn well.
Okay.
Step well.
Step well. Okay.
Step
Okay.
well.
Only,
Step well.
only the wells are there.
Buckets.
Only, no, buckets are there. So only the wells are there.
Pond.
Pond.
Water tank. Water tanks.
In the fort. Water tanks in the fort. Then bund. River bund.
Ma'am, bund across a river. River bund.
Lake.
Water tank in a fort.
Okay, these all
Lake.
pictures, right? So now
Yes.
I will show the pictures of that water storage system. Okay. Before that, we are going to see the pictures. Who should do me a favor? I can see so many. Unimaya, mute your audio. Unimaya, Tanvi, Navaneet. Why you are keeping it unmuted? Huh? Why, Navaneet? Unmute it. So here I am going to share the screen. All should check it, okay? Okay, here, can you see the slide? I hope everybody
Yes,
can see.
ma'am. We can see it.
Okay, you can see it, right? Okay, good. So here we are discussing about that, not discussing, right? We are reminding which all are the old water storage system. Well, water tanks in forts, river bunds. So many of you told you don't know about the bunds. So I thought I can take some pictures for showing it. Here you can see the step wells. Have you seen this step well? Right? The pictures in the pictures.
Yes,
in the,
And first
in the
one,
pictures.
not second one.
First one. Second one is a normal well. First one is the step well. See, during the time of kings, queens and kingdom, they might have built like this construction. See how beautiful it is, because that places, in that places, the groundwater reserve, please mute it. In that places, the ground level, water and in the underground level is so deep. So if we dig a well, it is reserve, please mute your audio. Done. So it will be very difficult to dig a well in that places. We won't get water, right? So what they do, they dig a well, and using the bucket and rope, we can't take the water. So they constructed some steps to go into it. They have constructed some steps to go into that one, so that they can easily go
Ma'am, in
to
the
that
step
place.
12, there is many stairs.
Many steps are there, so people can go into it and can take water in a pot or likewise. Hmm? So, but nowadays we are not using this as a water storage system, but like this construction, we are using for tourists. Okay, these all are tourist spots. Some people from our country and also from different countries come to India for visiting these all beautiful architectural examples. See, you can see how it is constructed. So many years back. It is so many years back. There also people were there to construct like this construction. Understood. So by seeing this, people are very much fond of this type of architecture. Okay. So, and next one is the normal well which we are using in our home. Next one I will show this one, water tanks in the fort. You can see in this picture, you can see a fort, right? You can see a fort. See, there
Yes,
inside
ma'am.
that
We
fort,
can see a force.
yeah, inside the fort, they had constructed a water
Yes.
tank.
Water tank.
Yeah, it is open
Water
so
tank.
that they can store rainwater. So that they
So
can,
anyone can go and take.
yeah, so that water can be used for some other purpose. Okay, so these are the water tanks in the forts. Next one, I told about the river bunds. Bunds are constructed across the rivers. So all of you told one, you have not seen this bunds. So now can you see this bund? See, bunds means
Yes.
using stone, or usually using stone or small stones and soil, sand. We can make a barrier, small barrier across the river. We can make a small barrier across the river. Understood? So that
So,
can prevent the water flow. These
so
bunds
if
are,
you
these
so it
bunds,
will
so this,
so
if say who is talking, please wait. Let me conclude it. After that, I will give chance. Okay. So bunds are made using small stones or soil, so that they can prevent the flow of water through it. It is especially constructed during the summer season to store water. Sometimes in the picture itself, you can see some sacks filled with soil. Some sacks. See, here I am going to stop this one sharing. Somebody is disturbing the class. Who it is?
I can hear you clearly.
Okay, dear Rutvi, please wait.
Yeah, ma'am, your voice is very low.
Okay, okay.
Very low.
Very low. Okay, let me.
Very low.
It is too low.
Ma'am, your voice is
no, ma'am. It is correct.
Okay.
No, ma'am,
It is not
so
low.
low.
Okay, I
Ma'am,
will.
so
It is
low.
not low, ma'am.
No,
Okay,
ma'am, it is
okay, I will
not
keep it
It's
low.
like.
not low, ma'am.
No.
Okay, don't argue with it. Don't argue with it. I will keep it like so. So if I am keeping like this, is it okay? If I am keeping like this, is it okay?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
No
Okay,
problem.
so
Yes, ma'am.
Now it
even
is very clear.
okay, so even if you can't hear means, please check your network connection. Okay, I am trying my level best to raise my voice. Okay, I will do it. So here, mute your audio. I am going to share the screen. So here you can see the bunds. This in this bund you can see some. Let me mark it so that you can easily see. Here can you see in the top second picture? That bund is made up of sacks filled with sand. Sacks filled with sand. That also can be used to make as bunds, right? And in the first one, in the first picture, you can see this bund is made up of this one stones and concrete. It is concrete used to construct by concrete. But in between, you can see some shutter-like structure. Can you see a shutter-like structure? Okay. Why that shutter-like structure is used there? Who can say? Who know about it? Yes, yes, Risa. Tell
So,
me. Risa.
Ma'am,
Okay, Risa.
controlled opening of water.
Okay, very good. To control the Risa, your network is so low. That is why I can't, it is not clear for me. Please wait for your network to become stable. Okay, Risa, mute your audio. So here, why we are using the shutters to control the water flow through it. In the summer season, they will keep the shutters closed so that they can store water. During the rainy season, they will keep it open so that the water can easily flow through it. If they are not opening the shutters during the rainy season, there will be flood. Okay, there will be chances of flood. So that they should open the shutters so that they can control the water through that river. In the same way, another type of bunds also you can see. Four type of bunds, pictures of four type of bunds I had taken. I hope everybody understood about bunds. Is there any doubt? Do you have any doubt about the bunds now?
no, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Okay. B-U-N-D-S. Bund. Bund is constructed across a river to control the flow of water. Okay. Next one. And we have to discuss about the new water storage system. Water tanks are very familiar to you. Say at your home, sometimes water tanks are there. Sometimes they are constructed by using plastic or sometimes using concrete, right? It is constructed by using bricks and concrete. Nowadays, the plastic water tanks and metal water tanks are available. I am sure that any one type of water tank will be there maybe there at your home. Am I correct? Am I correct?
Yes, ma'am.
Any one type of water tank maybe you are using there at home to store water. Sometimes. Okay, let me ask you one question to Dia Viju. Dia?
Yes, ma'am. Hear me now? Yes.
Dia Viju, please tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
See, from where the water is pumped into your water tank? From where it gets?
Very low.
Dia, please say it loudly.
Dam.
At your home, at your home, at your home, at your home also from dam?
Ma'am, can you repeat the question?
Yes. All others, please listen. All others, please listen. I am asking to Dia. Okay. So when I am asking a question to one student.
Ma'am, your sound is very low.
Okay, I will try it.
No, ma'am, your sound is clear.
Okay.
It's not
Dear
low.
students, please wait. Okay. So here, when I am asking a question to a student, all should think about that question. No need to give answer. If I ask to one particular student, if she couldn't give the answer, you can raise your hand. Okay. So Dia, my question is, from where water is pumped into the water tank in your home, in your house, where from where the water is pumped into the water tank? Do you have water tank at your home?
Yes.
Yes. So from where it is pumped into it?
Buns.
Huh?
Buns.
At your home, wells are the
Ma'am,
well
can
is
I
there?
say?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. So, okay.
Wells.
So,
Ma'am, can I tell?
Wells.
okay, Tanvi.
Ma'am, underwater from river, from well,
Well, from wells. Okay. So,
underwater pipe.
okay. So, you
Ma'am?
can see well.
Ma'am, can I say?
Here, students, please listen.
Ma'am, can I?
See here, I want to explain it. Okay. So,
Ma'am,
suppose
can I
your
say
home.
from my home how?
Who want to say then? Okay, Risa, tell me.
The rain, when the rain falls, it is going to the well, and there is some pipes connecting to the tank. So this would be
Just switch on the
this water would
light.
be clean
Pump
and
into
gone
the
to the
water
tank.
tank which is kept over your house, right? Okay, that is the answer what I want.
Ma'am, your video is stuck.
Okay, so here we can see the water from the wells at your home is pumped into the water tank which is kept over the house, right? If you don't have the well, Juan,
Excuse me, ma'am.
what you are doing there, Juan? Zara, what you want?
Excuse me.
Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I joined now, ma'am.
Okay, no problem. So here, when the if the wells are not there at your home, how you will get water? You have to use bore wells there, right? You have to use bore wells there. What do you mean by bore well? What do you mean by bore well? Tanvi,
Step
please sit
well.
on your place. Anybody
Ma'am.
knows about it? Bore well.
Ma'am, step
Yes.
well.
Bore well. Not step well and all. Bore well. No. I will
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
I will explain and also I will show the picture. Okay. Bore
Okay,
wells
ma'am.
means if wells are not there at our home or any place, now we can get our water from the underground. You all know due to the rain, water which is gone to the underground will stored there, right? And water will be stored under the soil. That is called underground water. Water which is stored under the soil, that is called underground water. So, if we make a hole on the ground, deep hole on the ground, we can take water out of it using pump. We have to use pump for taking water from the underground through the huge pipes. Not huge, narrow pipes. From that, we can pump the water into our water tanks. That system is called bore wells. Bore wells are like well. Bore wells are like well, but it is deeper and narrower.
Can you show a ball well?
Yes, I will show. That they are deeper and narrower than the wells. Okay, we have to dig too deep into the underground to take the underground water from it. Using pump, using a motor pump, we can pump the water from there to whichever place we want. So here I am sharing the picture of this one. Okay. One minute. See, can you see this picture? Can you see a hole
Yes,
on the
ma'am.
underground?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? This hole,
Ma'am.
very small hole, right? Is it bigger like a well? Is it
No, ma'am.
wider like a
I
well?
have seen this well in one movie.
Okay. So I will
No,
explain.
ma'am.
Like an.
Okay, so
No,
here you
it's
can
very
see
small.
a small hole, but it is a narrow hole, but it is so deep so that we can take the water.
Ma'am,
Okay,
can I say
using
one
pump.
thing? Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Ma'am, there is one more.
Yes, Tell me, Risa.
Yes, ma'am. There is some movie.
Okay.
For farmers to get water, they would make a hole and
Hmm.
uh,
They will
so
draw water from it. Okay.
but when children get into this, some
Yeah.
children
While
had
playing.
died.
Ma'am, that was the movie.
Okay.
One child
Okay, okay.
go
So
into.
you understood about borewells?
Yeah,
Yeah.
ma'am.
Previous borewells were
One child go.
Yes, ma'am.
okay.
Nine.
These
Ma'am,
borewells were made
Yes.
especially on places where the water is so less. Underground water is so less.
Ma'am,
They
in
can't make.
underground,
Okay,
no
they can
oxygen.
make if the water
Yes, ma'am.
underground water is okay. Please listen. If the underground water level is so less, they can't make wells there. It is not possible to dig a well in that place. So what they will do? They will make bore wells. They will make the deep and narrow holes. And using pipe, they can pump the water out of it. See, after taking water, if it is not closed, there are chances of accidents. Children may fall into that small holes. So, based on this, some children are also
How
shooted,
a
right?
child will go to inside this pipe?
Yeah. So it is very difficult to rescue that children if they fall into it, right? Okay. So you know about the
Ma'am, one
bore.
movie is there like that.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
I also.
Ma'am,
One movie is there.
Okay, okay. So you understood
one child get
understood the
inside
concept.
and
One child will go into the
when he
borewell.
is then
Now I want to
One
explain
then
about the
her
dam.
brother take along.
Okay, okay. I don't want to see the story of this film. Okay, no need. Almost all know about it, so no need. If they want to know, they will call you. Okay. So shall I move to the next one? Dams. Shall we learn about dams?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. So mute your audio. Zara, please mute it. Here, dams. You can see very beautiful picture, right? See, dams means huge
Yes,
walls
ma'am.
are constructed. Huge walls are constructed across a river. That is called a dam. So when we construct this
Ma'am,
one,
I cannot see the
okay,
bird.
I will stop it. Stop, and I will again share it. Okay, so that all
This
can
dam
see.
standard have names.
Okay, so here you can see a huge wall. I am drawing it. Okay, a huge wall. When this Siddhi, mute your audio. When this huge wall it is constructed, then that may prevent the water flow through that river. Okay, so there it becomes a lake. Can you see a lake there behind the walls? Here also in the second picture also, can you see a lake there behind the walls? Yes, right? So this lake, is it natural lake? Is it a natural lake? No, it is not a natural. It is
Artificial
not a
lake.
natural. Yeah, artificial lake. Because of the huge walls, the flow of that river it is prevented. It is closed, and the water it is stored there. Right. So it is an artificial lake. So, the artificial lake formed by a dam is called reservoir. It is called reservoir. Have you heard about this word? Reservoir. Yeah. So, when the
Ma'am,
water in the reservoir comes up, some levels are there. If it comes beyond the level, if it comes beyond the level, they
They would
may
be
open the
they would
shutter.
be
They
flood.
will open the shutter.
They
Siddhi, please
we
mute
will
your
have
audio.
flood.
Siddhi, please mute your audio. So here you can see reservoir. Reservoir means artificial lake. formed by the dams. Okay, so let me ask you, what is the name? Kirtana, what is the name
Yes,
of the
ma'am.
artificial lake formed by the dams?
Reservoir.
What is the name of the artificial lake formed by the dams?
Reservoir.
Reservoir. Okay, reservoir. Okay, mute your audio. Janvi, please read the spelling of the reservoir.
Reservoir.
Okay, Reservoir. That is the spelling. Okay, so when the reservoir, the level of water in the reservoir comes up beyond a particular level, they will start to open the authorities will start to open the shutters so that the excess water can go out of it. I think about this you are getting the news in the newspaper and also in the television. Am I right?
Ma'am, can I say one thing?
Ma'am, there would be.
1 minute. See, some of the students are also joining. And Pavia Parthasarathi is of not this class. Okay. Risa, what you want to share? First?
You told
Yes.
about dam, right?
Yes, dams.
When
Yes.
this artificial lake is full, the governments will discuss and they would
That
open
is
the
the
dam
that
and
is the
we would have flood and all.
not always. Not flood won't be there always. Okay. So that mute your audio, please. Isha, mute your audio.
When it's full only.
Isha, mute your audio.
And when it's
Please
full,
share and
Ma'am,
tell
I
me.
have a doubt.
Okay. Zara, tell me what is your doubt.
Ma'am,
Tell me
Ma'am,
first.
Risa told that the government, Risa told that the government will open the dams, right? So, if it will be not at all open, what will happen, ma'am?
See, if it is not at all open, means sometimes water will come over, overflow over that dam. So that may
Okay, ma'am.
keep in danger of that dams. Okay. Sometimes the
Okay, ma'am.
dams may be getting danger. That is why in order to avoid that danger situation, authorities will start to open shutters one by one. Okay. So we can move to the
Okay,
next
ma'am.
topic. Say we
Your
learn.
voice is not clear.
If we learned about the water storage system in the olden days and also in the present days. See, let me ask you one question. The water which it is stored in this old water storage system, is it safe to drink? Is it safe to drink? I will
No.
ask you.
No.
No.
Aditi, tell
No,
me.
ma'am.
No.
Aditi,
Yes,
yes,
ma'am.
Aditi, tell me, is the water which is stored in this water storage system, is it safe to drink?
No.
No, not of old water storage system. Some water which is from some water storage system, it is not fit for drinking, especially water from the dams, water from the this one bunds and all. We can't use it, right? Why? Why, Aditi? You are saying it is not safe.
Because there will be bacteria.
Okay, only bacteria.
No, ma'am. Dirt and all.
Okay, dirt particles, clay.
Plastics.
Say, Kirtana, if you want to say, you can raise your hand, okay? Without my permission, don't tell it, okay? I will give chance. Okay, Kirtana, tell me what you want to share.
In the water, there will be plastics.
Impurities like plastics.
Ma'am, mud
And
will
plastic
be there.
bottles and waste. People will throw waste in this water and all.
Okay. Don't
Ma'am,
chat box. See, don't use chat box. I can see some of you are using chat box. Okay.
excuse me, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am,
Sarah.
in that water, ma'am, in that water, mud will be there.
Yeah. So mud, clay, mud, or a plastic like impurities, germs, bacteria, all we can expect in that water.
Ma'am,
It's not safe for drink. It is not safe for drinking.
Ma'am, some people will be spitting on the water.
Yeah, so that water is not fit for drinking. That is the thing. But
Can I
see,
get out?
yes, Riza.
Ma'am, can I say?
One
When
minute.
I read the textbook, I saw something like alum. What is that?
That I will explain after this. Okay. Now we
Okay.
are discussing about
I was
the
reading textbook and
what.
then
Okay. That I will explain. Felix, what you want to say? Felix.
In dams, it is we cannot drink that water because it is bacteria. That dams germs will affect the water. So,
Okay. So
if
you
we
all
drink that water,
understood.
it's not
You all
safe.
understood that water from these some of the water storage system is not fit for drinking, right? Okay. But water which is stored in your well, water which is used in the from the bore wells, these are safe for drinking. These are safe for preparing for cooking and all, right? So
Ma'am,
water that is safe for drinking and does not cause any health problem. That what Manav, see, please listen, mute your audio. Water that is safe for drinking and does not cause health problems. That water is called potable water. No need to look on your book. Just listen here. Water which is stored in the old water storage system, it is not safe for drinking. But some water which is stored in some of the water storage systems such as wells, bore wells, water tanks, these are safe for cooking purpose. They won't make any health problems. That water is called potable water. That water is called potable water. I will show you the, see, you can see here potable water. Can you see this one?
Yeah,
Yes, okay. Janvi,
water that is safe for
see
drinking and
Janvi,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the heading
Potable water.
potable. So can you read the spelling, Janvi?
Potable.
Okay, potable water. See, read it,
can I
Janvi.
tell something?
1 minute, 1 minute. Janvi, please read it. What do you mean by potable water?
Water that is safe for drinking and does not cause health problems is called potable water.
Okay, water that is safe for drinking and does not cause health problem. That water is called potable water. Let me call Aditi. Aditi, please read it for the others. Fast.
potable water, water that is safe for drinking and does not cause health problems is called potable water.
Okay, so let me ask you, I will ask one question to Isha Fatima. Isha, unmute your audio. Isha, yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, which is the source of potable water at your home?
Can you repeat the question?
Yes, you are not attending the class. Huh? Have you seen the the definition of potable water? Have you seen it?
Ma'am,
Yes.
ma'am, we don't have wells and all here.
Okay. You don't have well. So from where you are getting the water then for
We
drink?
are getting the water from rivers and ponds.
Rivers, from the river.
ma'am,
Huh? 1 minute. Wait. Okay, Isha. Wait. Srihari. Okay. Tell me, which is the source of potable water at your home?
Our well.
Wells are there. Sometimes bore wells also. If the wells are not there at your home, you may see some bore wells, right? So from that, when you switch on the motor can pump the water from the bore well to your water tank.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Isha, do you have the water tank at your home? Isha Fatima. No, she is not responding. Okay, so Srihari, mute your audio. So if wells are not there, the water may be stored in the water tank, right? That water is also potable water. You can use it for cooking. You can use it for bathing purpose and all. So, what are potable water? Who knows about the answer? Who knows it? What are potable water? Raise your hand. Who can answer this question? Tanvi.
Ma'am, Sarah.
Potable water is safe to drink and not causes damage for our body, and it is safe to drink.
Okay, very good, very good. Does not safe for drinking and does not cause health problem. That type of water is called potable water. So now in the next period, next class, we will learn. Even though we are saying that this potable water, then also from the well, will you drink it directly?
No.
Before drinking, what you will do? Before drinking, purify it. Sometimes boil it. Okay. Sometimes you will connect the water tank to a purifier. Right? So, want to, even though we are saying it is potable water, then also it is not safe for drinking. We will discuss about it in the next. Okay. So, now I want to leave the class. So you read the textbook properly. Okay?
Okay,
I hope
ma'am.
all enjoyed today's class. Okay.
Thank you,
Bye.
ma'am.
Bye.